This is how we started, and this is how we finished.
Hi, this is Ross from ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. Today we're in Tampa at Temple Terrace, and we're just finishing up this 2-car garage with baseboards. This color is California gray. Now, we did remove a coating and the floor wasn't in good shape. So we did grind a lot of the floor off. There was a lot of complexities with the fixtures as they were. I'll show a little bit at the baseboard at the back of the house because you can see the subfloor and the original slab because there's no wooden baseboard along the interior wall. So you get a chance to see what that looks like too. But this is the way we left the baseboard. We put as much baseboard as we could in there so that when the wooden baseboard goes back up, it's going to have a very finished appearance to it. So this was a full diamond grinding, coating removal. I'll give you an example here of what the baseboard's going to look like, the wooden baseboard when it goes back up. And that's just really going to finish that in nice. So I'm doing this video sometime in the future, editing the video, and this customer actually had us back out to do their lanai. We did an epoxy floor over tile, and I'll put a link to that video in the description down below. So here we removed some conduits and stuff like that that were no longer being used, that were leading to the outside. I believe it was from an old softener system. Here's what our lead-in edge looks like. We rounded that back over. It's pretty flush with the driveway to begin with. Here's some more details in around the pipes and whatnot. This job came out very nice. Customer was very happy. Here's the color again, California gray. Job looks great. Thanks for watching.
ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. ProTech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough, and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.